Hello guys, I'm Alan Chris to tell you in this tutorials how to recover your Gmail ID in case someone who has hacked your Gmail ID, someone who has hijacked your Gmail ID or stolen your Gmail ID, changed the password. Now you don't have especially recovery emails, recovery phone number. How do you access to recover quickly your Gmail ID? One viewer who has recommended to other recovers this especially particular this ID because unfortunately he has lost his phone today. So quickly how do you recover it? We will see live here in this tutorial. So simply just we will have to go for next. If we facing these kind of issues, then here just we will go for next, and here see we have a two option. Either we have a password, we don't have a password. If we have password, then we can go for enter. If we don't have, then we will go for try another way. And if I click here, then it's saying that enter the password, last password we don't have, so just we will click on here try another way. Now here we don't have a phone number also, so just we will click on here. So now see, it's saying they couldn't sign in. So of course this can be recovered, guys, by providing enough information for the Google to be sure that this account is mine. How it is possible, we will see. Don't click on here multiple times, otherwise of course when another platform will be open there, you will have to submit your document proof identity. On the basis of Google will endorse to justify that this account is really yours or not within 48 hours or after 48 hours, and this can be also. So yes, we cannot wait a long time, so we will go with alternative option. Just we will cut it from here, and upon of course we will come in the Play Store. In the Play Store too, of course we will have to write here that is a black browser. This is especially here, see, just we will go for install. So write in a Play Store search bar black browser, and upon go for installation. It's a total size of scarcely especially 10 MB. So now just we will cut it from here because it's installing. On the other hand, of course we will come in especially Google. We will hold a Z browser, guys, and upon of course we will have to go for follow some protocol that is very essential to other cover Gmail. So just we will go for next. In notification we will have to make it blocks, and upon yes we will back and tap on a permission, guys, and just it can close here. Let's close. We will once again come in a Google product, and upon hold this, and upon of course click on a help icon, and thereupon tap on a permission, navigate the location, guys. So of course we will have to come in here, make it precise location, that would be disabled, and upon click on a don't allow, click on don't allow any being. So now we will back, and yes, one more time we will back, and here this is already disabled, that unused. Now here what we will do, just we will come in a set as a default browser and click on here, and of course we will make it and clear this ones, and upon 4-5 times on a here clear defaults, and upon cut it from here, and upon once again we will have to come here Google products, and upon hold on a Google Chrome, guys, and after coming here of course we will have to type on a help icon, come in a notifications, and make it blocked. If it is already blocked, then enable and make it disable, guys. Then of course we will come in the permission. In the permission we will have to go with the similar strategy. Of course make it here, click on a especially precise location, that should be disabled, and upon click on a don't allow anyway. Here is asking if you deny the permission, the basic feature of your device may no longer as a especially no longer function as intended. So what we will do, just we will click on a especially don't allow anyway for time being, and upon of course we will have to back, guys. In back, of course in a back of what we will have to especially remove the permission and free after this piece, just we will have to make it disable, and upon once again we will have to back, and now here is options, and that is especially browser app. Click on here, pick this one's black browser, and upon of course we will cut it from here. Now once again we will come in here open especially this black browser. In a coming black browser, what we will do here, just we will have to pick this especially Chrome browser, sorry, in the Google too, of course we will have to pick this sign in here. Now go with the similar strategy, guys. Now here we will have to type this particular ID, so of course we will write here this ID, it was, of course. Now we will go for next, and if I click on here next, what will happen, guys? Here, yes, we will go for forgot password, and thereupon here is asking check something that we don't want especially. Now here try another way, just we will click, so we don't have a password. Now yes, here is asking OTP, we don't have this OTP. So now here is also asking that we did not provide enough information for the Google to be sure that, so we have to follow this possibility, answer as many questions we can, and use the device you have to sign in before. So what we will do, guys, here, don't click on a try again, otherwise it would be a freeze for a time being particular. And of course, why? Because Google will easily trace that I'm trying to recover the particular ID that doesn't belong to me. That's why via different browser I'm attempting to recover. So just we will cut it from here, guys. Now we will have to tap on a setting, guys. So let's setting to, of course we will come in a Google service. In a Google service, what we will have to, yes, we will click on especially help icons. On a help, in a help here we will have to make it reply the answer appropriate, that here see fourth number you think that someone else is using or someone have, of course, because losing the device, someone is using particular ID, everything. So now we would like to save the data, so wait here. Now we will click on a secure your account. In a secure your account, we will come in a review your account activities. Here we have a find out if your account has been hacked. Now of course here just we will come in a accounts recovery page and see here what will happen. Here we will have to type this particular ID once again. So let's see, and upon, of course, here the just we will have to go for click on a next. Directly we would be landed here. Now here what we have to do here, guys, just we will click on a never, and never to, of course, here we have two options. That is one is a change the password, second is directly we can go for continue. If I go for continue, then directly we will have to come in a security center to add their alternative email and phone number. If we don't, then directly click on a change the password, and we can change the password, and thereupon, of course, we can add their recovery email and phone number. Google automatically recommend to you to enter the recovery email and recovery alternative phone number. Now here create a strong password, guys, that this kind of incident won't be repeated again. So create confirm password, and thereupon go for click on it change. So right now we cannot do because the live screen recordings, but this idea has been defined that recovered, guys. This is all about. Thank you very much indeed. And if it is informative and knowledgeable, then don't forget like, subscribe, and share with this content, because this is a thing that will inspire me a lot to make it such as informative tutorial, guys. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.